Hello guys, it's me for another video. Today we're playing Movie Star Planet, but I actually promised that I really want to play Roblox for this video, but something happened. It was like last week or no, it was this week, like on Monday or something like that. Or I think it was Tuesday. I don't remember what day. So something happened that when I go my Roblox my home the home Roblox home, and then I click play Bloxburg because I clicked play and something happened and I couldn't play, so that's what I can't play Roblox because it doesn't work on my computer because it needs some fix. And then I actually use my dad's computer because this is my old computer, is not even good. It's not good. So it was not working anymore. It's not working. So I decided to play Movie Star Planet. And also that I made a video, the update of Bloxburg is in my Funtime channel. So you guys check it out in Funtime channel because I uploaded already. It's in Funtime channel, it's not here. So I don't know you guys. I'm really so sad I can't play Roblox on my computer, so I have to use my dad's computer my dad's computer um um I, I keep saying it another time. I actually have a YouTube channel in my dad's computer and mine. And mine is like this Beba plays Roblox. And then my dad's computer is Funtime Dash. So I actually use a Funtime Dash. So you should check it out, Funtime Dash channel. And maybe that was a bad news. And the good news that Bloxburg has updated fall update for Halloween, and it actually is almost for Halloween though. And you should play Bloxburg. So you know what? I need Jared, Emily, and with the rest of the crews needs to play Bloxburg with me. If you want me to play together to record. And also that I actually made a video, me, Emily, and her cousin, and a fun time dash. I haven't seen Jared and Chelsea record in the recording when I start recording. When I start recording, um, I actually did it today with the update because I think they up the Bloxburg update for Halloween for fall. And then I decorated and I really want to show you my house looks like. If you guys want me to take a tour. Well, I actually did take a tour in my house in Bloxburg for the Halloween, so I did. But I think I didn't tour the house. I mean the garage. My friend made Estemianda. She made it for me because she helped me. That's fine. She helped me. So yeah. So that's why I have to play when we start playing it. For that kind of like that Christ. And then Emily is awesome, just offline. It's like 20 hours. And I'm still kind of broke. Cause my mom told me that, yeah, also my mom told me that I can't get VIP today because she needs to pay bills or something else. So I said tomorrow on Sunday, so she could give me on Sunday, and I'll say it. Wait, no. um, mm, let me getting getting VIP to wise for tomorrow. There on Sunday. Sunday. Wait, I spelled Sunday wrong. You know, I don't know why. On Sunday. There. getting VIP tomorrow on Sunday. There. Because I really want Emily to know. So yeah. And also that I am the 21 level. If you guys know, in the first video I made, I was in the 21, but I'm still with that. At least I'm getting a VIP tomorrow, so I could get my level up. So I don't want to stuck with 21 anymore. 5,000. Progressive. Fantastic, I guess. And actually, this is my costume though. Yeah, this is my costume for Halloween. You know, I just want to wear it because I really want to be like Holland, Hurley, and Quinn. I don't know what it's called, so I just want to dress up. I found it. It's in the shop, but it was like many months ago. Yeah, months ago. Yeah, I found it. I got the whole set. But this hair is sort of diamond, the not the diamond pack, the diamond, what do you, diamonds something. I got it, and also that it's like three diamonds. That's not bad. I just bought it. I just got the whole set. That's all. Sometimes I actually get VIP. Last year I got VIP, but not anymore. So I'm getting it this week. And sometimes I get Robux, sometimes I get VIP, okay? Because I don't get VIP every week. Like sometimes I get VIP like for next week books or something like that. I always do. Who does that? Me? I don't know. Oh man, I'm not gonna finish. And sorry with another background because my mom and my dad are talking. If you guys could hear that. And flushing the toilet, of course, yeah. And then I didn't went to here, but I still have enough of it. And also that I didn't see Jared upload his video yet, but he didn't upload yet, but it's fine. This is from Tosque. This is like my mom and dad say Tosque. You know, it's Spanish. I'm in. By the way, I'm using the white thing, the Scream Team. If you guys don't know what is that, this is a girl that always make a Scream Team. That it's like Scream Team. Yeah, you could be like a zombie or like that. She is a Scream Team. She made this group. She made it. Your Living Nightmare. I know who's Living Nightmare. She's a always plays MSP. But I didn't know, I don't even know that she has Roblox, so I actually messaged her, but I didn't, she didn't friend me, but she didn't friend everyone because, I know she's a VIP, but I don't know if she's a 1 year VIP though. Um, she's a YouTuber, but it's the same as, it's the same, you're living a nightmare MSP, but it's not the same thing as, she didn't put MSP, so she put your living nightmare. I remember that Your Living Nightmare Brother, but I said, nah, I don't want it. I just made it, but I don't want it. I just gave it to someone. I don't even know. Like, I don't know why. Please don't judge me. And neither the, oh, and I mean, like, in 6 days? Wait, like 5 days. It was Tuesday. It wasn't working. Um, I clicked play and it's still not working. Or I think it was Wednesday. I'm not sure. You know, I don't know. I think it was 4. Yeah, 4 because today it wasn't working. Because they need to fix my computer. And I have to fix my dad's computer. Because we have an issue. Or a little, no, I think my dad's computer needs to fix the computer. Needs to, I don't know. I need to, you know, my computer is it's an issue for me. It's an issue for me because this computer is not even good. Not good, so I can't play Roblox and record it. Wow, thank you so much. But I could record it in Roblox, but I really want to talk in the video. But I do have Discord. If you guys want me to follow me in Discord, you could add me. Um, you could add me, but if you guys have Discord, you could You know what that means? At Discord, you could talk people, you could call people, whatever you want. You can make a group so we could talk together, like Emily, Chelsea, Amanda, Garrett, and somebody else. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna make a group. I am not sure. Or I'm gonna make a group for Emily. I don't know. I don't know. Or also her cousin, I think. I don't know. So that's today for the video. So that's all the talk. I know it's all the talk. So I'm having a bad news for the Roblox. So I hope it works. My mom's gonna going to take computer to fix it, and also that I'm gonna use my dad's computer for like some days, and then I have to give her money for the fix my computer because it's not good at well. But I didn't record for how do you change your mouse pointer into mouse pointer mic. So maybe I could do it tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know. Or I could do it next Sunday on a Saturday. Next Saturday. If you guys want me to do it next Saturday, leave the comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't and like the video. So bye. I hope it works. Okay.